Have you ever felt like you're just wandering through life trying to find your purpose, but nothing seems to fall into place? You're not alone. We live in a world that constantly demands answers. Find your purpose. Know your path. But what if the search itself was the trap? We've all been there, chasing that one thing, the answer, the magic formula that will finally make everything right. But here's the truth. Purpose is a mirage. It's a distant star flickering in the dark sky, always out of reach. You can spend your life searching, but it's not something you can just stumble upon. Philosophers, those ancient gods of thought, they understood this. They knew that meaning doesn't arrive. It's forged in the fires of uncertainty. They believed that to find your true self, you must first embrace the chaos. Purpose isn't given to you. It's created in the struggle. What if I told you that the unknown, the very uncertainty that you fear, is the key to your true power? Every step you take, even when lost in darkness, is shaping your purpose. It's not the answers you find that matter. It's the questions you dare to ask. The truth is, there's no grand divine revelation waiting for you. Purpose doesn't fall from the heavens or emerge from the depths. It's built by you. Every choice, every step you take, even when you don't know the way, is carving your path. It's not about having all the answers. It's about having the courage to step forward in the dark, knowing that with every step, you're shaping the light ahead. The struggle is the purpose. The chaos is the creation. And maybe, just maybe, that's what makes it all so beautifully human. Share this with someone who might need a reminder that the chaos they're facing isn't the end. It's the beginning.